Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to change your display name on Discord application. So go to your Discord tab. So I'm just going to type my Discord and then open your Discord application. Then so so you can see this is the Discord. So what you need to do, you need to click here the user settings, then edit user profile and display name. So it's my name, but if you want to change your name, then you can remove or you can do this thing, and you can see careful you have unsafe change. So you can change your display name this way. So and then click the save change, then it will be saved. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.